You don't have a soul. You are a soul. Most of us were taught that the soul is something you experience when you die. But the truth is that when you truly awaken to your true self, as a soul, you get to experience the way the soul perceives while you're alive. Intuition is one of those ways you can experience the soul's perception. Intuition bypasses the five physical senses. It registers as something you simply feel and know. You can get a download in an instant that can take you 20 minutes to explain verbally if you can explain it at all. You don't think intuition, you just know. As Christians, we would characterize it as God or Jesus talking to you. That's simply because we were taught every inner experience was Jesus or because of Jesus. It's like being given a strainer to strain every spiritual experience through. Within the Kemetic tradition, the soul is the only real life that we live. The physical body is only a transitory existence. But while you're on the Osirian cycle, you will have many bodies and many lives in order to work through your learning cycles. The ancient Cometians would say, you don't have a soul, you are a soul. You don't have to die to experience yourself and your abilities as a soul. You simply need to tune in. That's what this life journey is about, according to the Cometians. You're learning to reconnect with the eternal wisdom you gained through many lifetimes. You know when you know. Trust it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share this video with anyone that would be expanded and uplifted by it.